Well, hello everyone, and we've come to the summer. It seems so fast that we've reached this time. It doesn't seem so very long ago that it was kind of freezing cold, but now it's hot and everyone's sunbathing, or well, not everyone, some people are sunbathing. And we have reached our sort of summer period in Unity, and we're on the road. That's the first thing to talk about. We're out and about on the road, and we're going to Edinburgh to take Unity to Edinburgh. So over to you, Kimerie. Tell us all about that.
Yeah, well, it's yes, as you say, it's our roadshow in Edinburgh. It's our first place of call, our first port of call, all about affirmative prayer, really connecting to the presence and power of God within and letting that enable us and fill us and become us. That's one of the things I love about Unity is the power of affirmative prayer and how we are changed by the practice. So we're going to be showing that in Edinburgh. That's in 2 days' time when the newsletter goes out the next day, Saturday. And after that, we're going to be in Exeter at the 19th of July in Exeter. So it's the same theme. Details are all on the website. You can find it all there. And details will also be in Daily Word at the moment. And then we're going to Sheffield and Wolverhampton. So...
But that's getting towards the autumn, I
That's
presume.
in the autumn, that's September and October. So summer is, Edinburgh and Exeter. Very exciting. I'm so delighted and pleased to be able to visit different parts of the country and take that power of affirmative prayer there and spread the message. You know, Eric Butterworth says the power is within, discover the power, use the power. And then it uses us, really. We are changed. So really delighted about that. If you're in London, the equivalent of our Unity Road show is actually our celebration day. Yeah, that's the last Saturday in July. So we will be there celebrating many different aspects of Unity internationally, because we're quite well connected to different parts around the world. And so those people will be with us online as well. It's a very international movement, Unity. And it will be on Zoom, but it will also be in person. So if you can get to us in London, please do. It's
where are we in London?
It's Honor Oak Park, which is near Forest Hill, so it's southeast London, but it's well connected to the trains, overground and underground. So yes, please do come and visit us and meet us.
Bring a lunch?
No, lunch in London is provided.
Lunch is provided. Gosh.
So if you don't get Caribbean food, then you do need to bring your own lunch. If you're gluten-free, you might need to bring your own lunch. But yes, they provide beautiful Caribbean food for us all.
It's a great tradition. Celebration Day goes back through the years, doesn't it?
It does, many, many, many years. So yes, again, the details are on the website. You can look it up. Please do, and please join us, because it's just a joy to come together. Zoom is amazing. It connects us. There's an intimacy we have on Zoom now, which is really special. Sense of family and connection, but being together in person takes it another step higher. So yes, we've been talking about it all year, but now it's actually happening. So do join us, do come along, do take part and discover the power within.
And you're holding something in your hand.
I am, thank you, Steve. Yes, this is our latest booklet, The Power of Faith to Heal. So it's talking about healing, but also the power of faith. And that's our part. That's how we show up. God works through us, but we show up. We bring ourselves. And that's the power of faith. So, yes, it's actually a really good booklet. So you can order that by calling the office or going online on the website again.
And it's free if you take the Daily Word.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, good. Well, there's plenty to think about there. And, get out and about and join us and go to all those things and read the booklet, and you're going to be in good shape spiritually.
Excellent. Thank you, Steve.
Okay. All right.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.